clueless. Got no makeup on, never seem flawless. Have to make a move, gotta lose my shyness. Oh yes, throw the package with this girl. She got a body and a brain and it's so real. We holding hands, I'm being for real. Next minute wedding dress, by the veil. Though it's just been a few days, she listens to what her dude says. To our single life spy with deuces. Marry me, let us do this.
Darling babe, listen my words. It's been a long time since I was thinking about it. I wanna marry you, I wanna be with you. Me wanna share the rest of my life with ya. Tusiberi wachiburundi, tusiganira mu mahoro. Kibondo chanje niwe munda, mazi yateke niwe nshaka.
Been a long time since we made. From childhood we've been friends, into lovers now with 10. Furthermore, this last bed share. So tonight I'm on bed knees. Ask you to be my wife. Like Uncle Swale Kuba Fiashi. What a shame means and go Manakash. Uamtima, go one kunda. You and I meet Ponenganda. It's your dad to the end of time. Loving you is my favorite crime. You my what was you my queen, and these are my words as you take this ring.
Hey, paper, darling babe, listen my words.